This is a Blender Python tutorial where we're going to be writing the code to create this animation loop. Hey, I'm Victor Stefanoff. I'll be guiding you through this tutorial. To start quickly iterating on our code, we're going to be using some helper code. You can find a link in the description under Start Code. Open that link in your favorite browser, click on Raw, copy the code, go back into Blender, navigate to the scripting workspace, hit New right here, and then paste in the code that you just copied. Let's save our project right away. So let's name it whatever you feel like. I'm going to just name it Toot and save that. And after this is done, let's run the code right here. And the main thing that this script does is clears the scene, adds a light, adds a camera, and an empty that the camera is tracking. We'll cover some of this helper code at the end of this video. So the main primitive that we'll be using today is just a circle mesh, and it's actually not even going to be a circle shape because we're going to be using only 6 verts in that circle mesh. So let's do this by hand. Let's add this circle mesh by hand. Let's hit Shift A in the viewport. Select the circle. I'm going to actually press Control Space to get a better view. Let's reduce these this vert count to 6. And let's go back. And now we have some code right here in the info panel that we can paste in our centerpiece right here function. All right, so we will need the verts and the radius, and the rest we can just select and delete. Next, we need to get the currently active object. I'm just going to create a new variable called shape object, and I'm going to use a helper function called active object. You can find this function above in the helper functions section of the script. And let's actually run the script and make sure that everything works. I'm just going to move this and make to see that it regenerates everything. Right, so there are no errors, and we have our circle mesh or mesh in the center of the scene. Next, we want to rotate our mesh. I'm going to hit Control Space, and I want to rotate this minus 90 degrees about the x-axis, so like so. So let's copy the code in the info panel and paste it right here. I'm going to update this. So instead of using the square bracket notation to get the x-axis, I'm just going to use the x named property. And this is minus 90 in radians. And I'd like to make this more readable. So I'm going to create a radians variable, and I'm going to use the radians function right here, and then create a degrees variable right here and set it to minus 90. I'm just going to paste that here and use that here. So this is a lot more readable than just having this floating point number. So let's see how that looks. So let's just move this out of the way and just rerun our script. And as you can see, this works as expected. Okay, next we need to add a bevel to our shape. And to do that, we're gonna select our mesh, and let's convert it to a curve. And then let's go into the curve properties on the right here, and go to geometry and set this depth to 2.025, resolution to 16. Also, let's shade smooth. So I'm just going to select our object and hit shade smooth right here. Now that's done, let's copy the instructions we have from the info panel. So we want to get all these 4 instructions, and I'm going to create a function right away. Create bevel, and then we're going to be passing in the object variable that's going to be referencing our mesh, and it won't be a mesh for long because we're going to convert it right away to a curve, and then we're going to use shade smooth. All right, so this part could be replaced by the object because this is like the currently active object from the context. All right, so let's move this somewhere else to make sure that it's still working, and I'm gonna run the script. All right, yeah, I also would like to call this function so it will work. So after creating this function, I need to actually use it. So you can see there is no bevel on this mesh, and let's run that, and there's an error. And the error is that we're not using the correct variable because here we have the object, it's local, it's a parameter that's we're passing into the function, and here we gotta change it to what the currently active object is. So this variable should match this right here that we're passing in. So let's do that again. All right, so now you can see that we have a bevel going on here, right? All right, now that we have a bevel, we can add a material, and we actually have some helper code that will allow us to apply a material, and we even have some helper code that creates the material for us. So let's just do that. We have an apply material right here. So we're gonna use for the object variable our shape object, and for the material we're going to be using a material that is created during our scene setup right here. So we have a material in our context dictionary. So if we go up here, and right here we're running our scene setup, and we're creating a dictionary that's the context, and we have the context material, and we create this metallic material with a random color, and we'll check out this at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around. All right, so this is going to be our context, if I can spell. All right, I think, yeah, context, yep. All right, so let's I'm going to hit Z on the keyboard, and I'm going to hit a material preview right here. So right now there is no material assigned to our curve, and let's run our script, and you can see that there is a material assigned after we executed that function. So, and since it's generating random colors each time, so each time we run the script, it's gonna create a random material and assign that to our mesh. Now I'd like to add more shapes into the scene, and to do that we're just going to use for loop and repeat this code right here. Right, so for I in arrange, and then we're going to create a number of shapes, and this is a new variable. We're going to set this to 16, and let's run this code. Right, nothing, it looks like nothing changed, but you can see in the outliner right here that there are actually a lot curves, and if you just press G and start moving these around, you can see that there's more than one in one place. To change this, we would need to update the radius on each iteration of the loop. So let's create a current radius and use some variable. So radius step. So this is going to be something that's going to be helping us control how much the radius changed on each iteration, and we're going to just multiply that by I. Actually, let's start the range from 1. So just a 0 radius. So if I don't use this 1 here, the range is going to start with, so I is going to be 0, the very first iteration. So 0 times whatever is going to be 0, and a mesh with a 0 radius doesn't really make sense, right? So let's update that to 1 right here. All right, so let's rerun our script and look at that, pressing Control Space to get into this full screen mode. And look at this, it looks nice as we want it to. All right, now it's time to start working on the rotation animation. And to do that, let's update our workspace to have a timeline so we can see how we're adding the keyframes. So let's pull that up and select timeline right here. Let's roll a bit back like so. Actually, let's leave it like this. And let's select one of the curves, and let's get the currently active object. And in the currently active object has a function called keyframe insert. And if we look into this documentation, so I've added a parenthesis and hit tab to give me all this documentation. So instead of looking up on the internet, I can just do it right from the interactive Python console. And what we would need is the data path. So since we're rotating, we'll need the Euler rotation data path, and we'll need the frame as well. So we want to control which frame gets the keyframe, right? So let's create a new function. We're going to call the function animate rotation, and we're going to pass the object, and we will just copy this. And so the data path is going to be, remember how we were setting the rotation at the beginning of the video right here, the rotation in Euler, and we're just going to use this as the data path, and it's in quotes, it's a piece of text, a string, and then the frame. So we're going to have like a start frame variable. Let's set it to 10. And let's actually use this function. Put it right here. So object should be the shape object. And let's run a script. All right, if you select any of the curves that we created, you can see that there is a keyframe at frame 10, right? So this is exactly what we're doing here with this code. Or on this currently passed an object as the argument, all right? We're inserting a keyframe for the rotation and at a frame number 10. All right, next we're going to be rotating about the Z and the Y axis. So before we set a new keyframe, we got to rotate our meshes, right? Our curves. I'm just going to copy the code that we used to rotate our circle, our mesh at the start. So I'm just going to paste it right here. I'm going to select this and unindented, so Shift Tab multiple times and then Tab to indent. I'm just going to copy this for the Y. I'm going to update the Z property right here and the Y right here. I'm going to set this to 180 and this to 120. All right, this probably should be a function itself, but we can do it at another time. And we need to set the end frame right here. So this is the end frame. And we're going to be using the frame count in our context. So we're actually able to change the number of seconds that this loop is going to be going, right? And each time, if we change the number of seconds, the number of frames changed as well, right? So to make this parameterized or like data driven, see we have in the context along with the material that we used before, we have the frame count. So let's use that right here. Right here. All right, so we're gonna have the context and then it's a dictionary, right? We're accessing the dictionary, and let's just -10 to give some breathing room between the loops, right? So we need to pass in the context as one of the parameters to this function. Don't forget to update the call site right here. And let's see how that looks. All right, I'm gonna press play, hit Control Space, and you can see that we're rotating here. Right, it doesn't look super great, so let's update this with a delay. And so to do that, we would need to update the starting frame right here on each iteration. So each one of the created curves is going to start rotating at a different frame, right? So we will be passing in I and frame offset. All right, so and to calculate the new frame start for the I number of like shapes, right? We're going to use I and multiply that by the frame offset. So we need to start passing these in right here. So this frame offset, we're just going to create it right before this for loop, so we don't want to repeat this each time we go through the for loop, right? You can maybe experiment with updating it in the for loop, but I'm just going to leave mine outside. So frame offset, it's going to set to 5. I is getting passed in. So let's run our script. And let's see how this looks. All right. And this looks a lot better. Right. So actually I'm going to press Z to get into render mode, and you can see that we're having this animation loop right here. All right. And if you're learning something new today or just enjoying this video, make sure to hit the like button. I'll greatly appreciate it. All right, so to add a final touch to this animation, I'm going to use another helper function that's going to set the interpolation of the keyframes to bounce. So I'm going to go up here and show you how that looks. So here is the function. So we're going over all the F curves and going through all the keyframe points and setting the interpolation to bounce. So let's see how that looks. I'm just going to copy this function right here and add it to the end of our animation rotation function. All right, so let's run the script. And I'm going to hit Control Space to go into full screen, hit 0 on the numpad to go into camera view, then hit space to start our animation. All right, and you can see we have this nice bounce at the end. So let's generate this function. Let's generate this loop again, get a different light. Let's see here. Okay, this looks interesting. So let's do that again. So we can start, and you can see how like there's a light underneath and getting this nice highlight. All right, and as promised, let's take a look at the helper functions. I'll give some comments on some of them, and you can explore the rest on your own. All right, so one of the functions I wanted to take a look at is the add lights. So the idea of this function is to add a sun and an area light, and do it in a way that it changes, so it uses random colors, right, to highlight the object. And it also has a bit of this randomness here that it basically selects to highlight, to move the area light and highlight from the bottom or from the top. So let's see how that looks right here. Let's go into solid, and I'm just going to turn a bit, and let's start running the script. And you can see that there is just a sun, then the highlight, the area highlight is below. Let's run a couple more times until, yeah, and here's a version of where the highlight is from up above. And you can see in the rendered view that the color is slightly changed. So we have get a random highlight color. This generates a random color, or it selects a random color. It doesn't generate, because I have a specific number of colors that I want to use as highlights. So let's take a look at that. So it's actually right up here. And we have these Xcode colors that we use a random choice. So we select from this list of random hex colors, and then call the get the RGB value for this hex color. I made a whole separate video on this particular function, so check that out if you're interested how this transformation is done. The same thing goes for the random color. It's just a bigger list of colors that we use to that you use in the create the metallic material right here. So let's actually see where that's used. Oh, it's used at the top right here. So we're creating the metallic material, getting a random color, right? So each time we run a script, we're going to get a random color. And actually, if you like a particular color, particular scene that got generated, you can like run the script, and right here we have a section with the seed, and by default the seed is 0. So if the seed is 0, it calls this time seed function, which is defined above right here, and it just gets the current time and uses that as the seed, this is the random seed, and actually it copies this into the clipboard, so you can paste this in. So now the seed that we just generated when I ran the script, it is now in my clipboard, so I can paste that in. So now each time I run the script, it's going to generate the same scene. So I'm just going to let's modify like this, right? It's going to be generating the same scene over and over again. So if you really like a particular scene, you can save it this way. Maybe like a number of scenes, use this hash character and save it, so you can like generate a number of things. So like so, like this. Maybe so you can just like generate stuff and paste them in to go back and render out this particular animation, right? Just above this is we're setting up what kind of animation we want to do. So the render settings. So I want a video, right? And this is the render path that I'm going to be using. Also, right here we're setting the scene props. So calculating the frame count. We have FPS set, then how many seconds we want our loop to be. Setting all that up in the for the scene. Setting the background color to black. Setting the FPS and so on and so forth. So you can check this out right here. Setting the render resolution of the animation and setting up the camera. You can see how we're adding the camera, setting the focal length and getting the empty that the camera will track, right? And setting up the depth of field. All right, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. For more tutorials and videos like this, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.